guys, welcome back to another episode of When We're How Lifestyle with me, your host Tiffany, Regular Fashion. So this is gonna be like a quick video. It might be a part 1 and a part 2 because this is me purging and taking everything out of my closet and all my summer stuff, getting rid of some things that I know I'm really not gonna wear. So this might be like part 1, part 2, and part 3 because not only do I have clothes in the closet and then I have the clothes under the bed, but then I also have clothes in my lovely ottoman here, which has a mixture of, you know, all 4 seasons. So it's gonna be a lot of purging and a lot of, you know, getting rid of that's gonna happen. So I'm gonna quickly just pull everything out, just show you really quick, you know, all the summer things that I have, some things that I know I'm not gonna wear that I need to give away. This may be a giveaway video, so get your sizes ready because here we go. There's like so many things, a lot of hangers are like stuck with each other. So like this guy, I mean, this is just an easy fun dress. This is a keeper. This guy, I can probably give this guy away. I probably only wore this once. I feel like me and a couple of my friends all have the same dress. I'll probably give this guy away. This is like an old forever dress. It isn't a large though. Well, I'll try it and see how it fits. This guy, you guys remember this guy is my Bam Bam dress. We're keeping her. Didn't get to wear her at all, but it is what it is. This guy is just a regular red basic. So this guy can actually probably stay in the closet because you know, may still be able to wear this in the fall with some boots and stuff. So I'm just gonna put him to the side. This is a Fashion Nova dress. Definitely have not worn it yet. It's a very classy, elegant dress. So I will probably pack it away because I am most likely not going to wear it. And it just fell on the floor. So another basic that we can probably wear for fall in navy. I have another one in green that we can probably get away for fall. This is one of my favorite Topshop dresses when they had the leopard collection with and it has a little back out, which I love. Haven't worn it in a while because now the back out, the chicho is there. So we gotta wait till we lose the chicho so that we can wear it. One of my favorites, I can wear this kind of in the fall. So I'm gonna keep this guy for the closet. You guys know my favorite summer dress. Didn't get to wear her at all. I have, everything's like stuck together. So a basic white, I bought this just so that I can be like, oh, I need a white dress, but I never wear white dresses. Like the only time I wear a white dress is on Sunday for communion because I'm a communion steward, and I even hate wearing it then because I'm just not comfortable in white at all. Like I'm just not a comfortable person wearing white. So I usually like wear like white pinstripe. So I'm just going to pack this guy away because I know for sure I'm not going to wear it. And this is like, you know, I can probably get rid of this dress. Because at this point, I think I wear this like a house dress at this point. I bought it from Forever, like years ago. You can see it's like faded. So I'm probably going to give this guy away. Actually, I'm going to throw it away. So that's not going to be part of the giveaways. And then a basic black H&M dress. We'll keep that guy because we can always wear him in the summer. So I have a thrift shop dress that I got. I'm probably going to pack this away because I'm not going to wear that. This guy, you guys remember this guy? I never returned it. This is a giveaway. Anybody who wants this dress, please comment and say you want it and I will ship it to you. I do not want it. It's been in my closet. I do not want it. I love this guy. I never got a chance to show you guys this, but I'll show you maybe another time. I call it my peppermint dress. Jumper. I'm not a big person. I don't like to wear jumpsuits or one pieces because it's just so hard to pee. But I actually bought this and it fits really nice. One day I will put it on for you guys. So I'm gonna leave it for the closet because I'm sure I'll find something to do with it. This guy is another thrift shop dress. I think I'm gonna pack this one away because I'm probably not gonna wear that. Oh, my favorite H&M dress. I'm gonna pack her away. I know I'm not gonna wear it in the fall or winter. This is my jumpsuit. I'm gonna give this away. It's an H&M jumpsuit that I got. Probably wore it like 3 times. I don't really like to wear it because, like I said, it's a jumpsuit and it's very hard to pee. So if you want it, you can have it. And then I have another H&M dress. This is just a simple dress. I'm gonna keep this. Well, I'm gonna pack it away because I'm not gonna wear it. Oh. This is all that's been in my closet. So this is a summer basic, but I'm gonna pack it away because I'm not gonna wear it. I'm gonna pack it away. I could wear it, like even like with this, I can wear it with boots, but I'm not. It's not happening. I know I'm not gonna do it. A yellow off the shoulder frill dress that I like. Put that underneath because that's for summer. I have this 2-piece short and blazer set that I bought from H&M that I never wore. Still has tags on it, ladies and gentlemen. So if you want it, you can have it. I wanted to do that look with like the short suit, but then I don't like blue. I don't like the color on me, so I never wore it. If you want it, you can have it. It's actually a size 8. No, the blazer is an 8, and I think the shorts are a 10. So if that is your size in H&M, you are more welcome to have it. Please let me know so I can ship it to you. Here's the Target dress. Nope, still never wore it. Actually, if anybody wants it, because I'm not going to wear it, I don't like it. If anybody wants it, please, please, please let me know. I will put it to the side for you. This is the Fashion Nova t-shirt dress. I'm going to pack it away. I'm going to keep the bodysuit though, just because I can always wear the bodysuit as a t-shirt. This is one of my favorite. You saw this on the Coquito dress. On the Coquito video. It's my favorite. I'm going to pack it away because it's summer. My favorite. I'm sure if you see my Instagram, you've seen me wear this dress plenty of times from Zara. Love it. And then this guy, I'm actually going to give this guy away. It's an off-the-shoulder dress from H&M. But it just fits me too big, even though it's a size 6, but it's oversized. And it's flowy. So if you want it, please, please, please hit me up. I wore it like 3 times over like the last 5 years. So if you want it, please hit me and you can have it. Guys, and you gotta hit me. Take this stuff away from me because I don't want it. Seriously. Okay, so here's a denim dress that I got from Fashion Nova that I never wore. I think I wore it in a video once and never wore it like outside. So I'm actually gonna give it away. If anyone wants it, it's theirs. I believe it's in a size medium. They can have it. This is my plain dress, but I'm gonna pack it away because it's very summery. A basic dress from Forever. I'm gonna keep it out because I can wear it in the fall as well as the winter. You guys remember this dress from Zara? Still haven't worn it yet. Was gonna wear it one time to church and never did. And I actually don't even want it. So if you want it, please hit me up and you can have it. This is another Zara dress that I usually wear to like events. So I'm gonna pack it away because ain't no events happening. And this is one of my favorite H&M dresses that I do wear in the summer. I'm not gonna wear it in the fall, so I'm gonna put it underneath. And this is my communion dress that I was telling you guys about. I got it from Pretty Little Things, and this is what I wear when I have to do communion at church. So this is gonna stay in the closet. What else we have here, guys? And I think that's it. Yeah, everything else is long sleeve. Yeah, everything else is long sleeve. So I think that's it. So that's it. That's part 1. So you already see what I have that has to go under. So now part 2, you're gonna see what I have that's under, that's gonna have to go in the closet. Some stuff I may give that away as well. So definitely make sure you are paying attention, so that if you want it, you can let me know. We can privately chat. I can get your address and I will send you everything. Don't forget to definitely hit me up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, to comment, and come back for part 2 of transitioning your wardrobe from season to season. Okay? Thanks again. Come back. Bye.